Hello, I'm Paul. I have been working on this desktop app called Harbor with my good friend Ben, and we're ready to share it with people. So, Harbor is an eCash desktop wallet that's built with privacy in mind. So I'll try to explain a little bit what that means. This has been a long time coming. See, our last devlog was June 6th, but we're finally ready to share it. And naturally, we just put it on GitHub. Sorry, everybody that doesn't care, that wants a free download button, but that's just what we did. So let's go to download Harbor. Yeah, we've got 1.0. 1.0 means it's good. All right. It means you're going to love it. We have Windows, Linux. I'm on a Mac, so I'll get the Mac version. And so let's just download that real quick. And we'll install it into our applications. And I'm going to, the app downloaded from the internet. I'm gonna risk it. And this is Harbor. First word of warning: we do our best to save this password into your local keychain or something. But hey, it's probably best if you remember this password. So make sure you write this down, whatever you enter here, so that you can access your wallet later. So we'll create this new wallet, and this is Harbor. So we can't do anything because we don't got any money. And what we have here is add a mint to get started. So if you go in here, you can add a mint. And then if you look in the settings, as you can see, we have Tor on by default. And we're using Bitcoin by default. You can also use like Signet or something if you want to just test this out. You can look at my seed words, and all this information is stored in your data directory. So you want to keep this around in case you change computers or something like that. So let's actually, just to make things a little faster, I'm going to turn off Tor because just YOLO. But Tor works. So let's get a mint. So there's a bitcoinmints.com is one place to go to find some mints. So here's a Fedimint we could add. I'll just add that. Nice. All right. It's going to end April 5th. Good to know. All right. So now if we go home, we can see we've got a mint up here, and now we can deposit some funds. So let's get 420 sats. Because it's a Fedimint, we can send on chain as well, but Lightning's going to work well for this use case. So I'll just generate an invoice real quick. I'm just thinking about it. This is embarrassing. Let's quit. Generate an invoice real quick. There we go. Just need a little turn it on and turn it off, turn it off and turn it on again magic. All right. So I'm sending this from my phone. Got it going. Boom. We got money. We're rich. So one of the cool things about Harbor, other than Tor, which I already disabled, is you can actually have multiple mints added. And not just Fedimints, but also cashew mints. So let's get a cashew mint in here. Let's see. What was I using the other day? Let's see. What do we got? We got Five reviews, 5 stars. That's good enough for me. All right. It's a Cashew Mint, of course, it only has one Guardian. And a cool thing we can do, I could send some funds straight to that mint. If I go to deposit, right, I'm picking which mint. As you can see, Cashew is Lightning only. But I also could transfer between mint. So obviously you have to trust a mint. And so maybe you're going to want to balance things out or move things around. And so Harbor makes that really easy. So we've got our source, Bitcoin Principles, and we're going to send to CoinOS. So let's do a nice half. Boom. So that's sent. And so now you can see CoinOS has 210. Bitcoin Principles has 206. So I guess there was like a 4 sat fee. Yeah. And so now we've got our little transaction history. We made 2 transactions because we sent and received right there, right? And I'm sure we could send some back if we want to just keep burning sats. Just thinking about it. There it goes. Blammo. Transfer completed. And that's Harbor. It's designed to be just super simple and private if you don't turn off Tor, to connect to multiple mints, play around, move your money between them. You can send and receive on Lightning, and on Fedimint you can receive on chain as well if the mint supports it. We also support Lightning address. Let me try that real quick. So if I go send myself some sats. Got it. I don't know if you saw that, but my phone vibrated. So you can also, we were graciously supported in this project by HRF. You can donate to HRF right here. And that's the whole wallet. Remember the password you typed in when you set it up, and let us know if you have any problems. Love to hear your feedback. Thank you. And thank you, Ben. Ben really worked hard on this. I appreciate him. He's a great guy. Yeah. Later.